Did you know a Russian countess wrote her final letter but never sent it? In 1870's St. Petersburg, Countess Elizaveta Volkonskaya sat by candlelight in her golden palace. Surrounded by silk wallpaper and crystal chandeliers, she had everything money could buy. But as she wrote her confession, memories flooded back. 20 years earlier, she had married Count Volkonsky not for love, but for his title. She bore him 2 children, then handed them to governesses while she attended endless balls. Every decision was calculated for social approval. Which dress would impress the most? Which salon would elevate her status? She became a stranger to her own children, who called her Madame instead of Mother. Her husband spoke to her only at public events. That night, staring at pages of desperate honesty, she realized the truth. She had performed her entire life for an audience that never truly saw her. She tore up the letter and chose silence. Some truths die with us, leaving only empty rooms and what might have been.